Hey guys, Randog here, and I wanted to take a look at this one. It's got a unique color. It's the Polaris XP 1000. A little dirty, but yeah, this color is great. Fully enclosed, the way it should be. Little box. NorthStar Edition. Very popular edition. Need some tint on those windows, but hey, you can do that anytime you need to. Wow. Just love that color. Oh, she's got a winch. Sweet. Digital and analog gauges. Touchscreen. Well, they have a lot of them, guys. They've got them packed in down here. I like the wheels. All right, guys, that's all I got. We'll talk to you later.